Hi, my name is Mike. I'm coming today from Summers Point, New Jersey at MarineMax, and I want to take a walk with you through our new Sailfish 325 dual console. This boat can be used for both fishing and family cruising. Currently I have all the seats out, and you can see how much seating is available in the cockpit. It's really quite impressive. It's great for family cruising, going out to restaurants, if you want to go out and see the fireworks. A lot of options in the family configuration. By closing the seats, you can see we have an enormous cockpit here, which is great for fishing. This boat is equipped with twin Yamaha 300 outboards. We have 6 rod holders back here. We have some cup holders, as well as this ski pylon. The ski pylon can be used for when you're tubing or skiing with the kids. If you want to go fishing, all you have to do is pick it up, twist it, drop it down, goes out of the way, so it's out of the way for fishing. This boat also has a freshwater shower head here, so when you walk in the boat, you can wash yourself off if you guys were out skiing or swimming around when you beach the boat at a sandbar for the day. Coming in the boat, you'll see that we have more cup holders, a 12-volt power supply here, sink, storage area, which can be used with ice or bait or anything else, and it drains right overboard. Got a cutting board on top here and an overboard drain sink. This boat also has a refrigerator freezer, a generous amount of storage space for all of your tackle. Moving forward, we have more cup holders. This boat has a Sailfish designed storage area with a gasket around it, so you can put your valuables in here. There's also another 12-volt power supply here, so you can charge your phone. Nothing inside of here will get wet with the gasket seal. Underneath, you got yourself a trash can and also storage space for your table. Moving forward to the helm area, you've got a dual side-by-side helm seat with flip-up bolsters. This boat is equipped with a Garmin GPS, Yamaha motor gauges. This is your Optimus steering screen, and here is your Optimus steering joystick. Boat is also equipped with a Fusion stereo system. In floor here, we have an enormous amount of space for storage and for your rod holders. On the port side, this boat also has a head. On the port side also, and next to the head entrance, is a double wide passenger seat. And if you pull off the top cushion, you're going to find out that you have a removable igloo cooler in there. Lots of side storage on the port side and the starboard side. More cup holders. This boat also has a windscreen, so if it gets nasty out, it's in the fall, it's in the summer, you're in some weather, all you have to do is close the windshield, close the windscreen, and you're fully protected, because you also have on this boat a full enclosure. Moving forward, more in-deck space. You also have under both seats insulated coolers that drain overboard, more cup holders, more 12-volt plugs, stereo speakers, and of course you've got your windlass right here that goes through the stem of the boat. I want to point out that this boat also has a SureShade sunshade, so you can be fully covered in the cockpit if you are out cruising for the day. It also has the tea bag storage for your life jackets, so they don't get moldy and wet. Lots of rod holders on the tower, plenty of storage space in the cockpit. Really a great all-around fishing boat, family boat. My name is Mike, coming to you today again from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you have any further questions about this boat or any other boats, please give us a call at 609-926-0600.